So guys, we're playing Old Craftsman. It's known as Old Craftsman. So that looks good. You good? Are you good, bro? I got my bro with the null. Can't make. Let's. Good for you. Still need one more pool. Still. You won't believe this, guys. Yeah, it's snowing while raining, while storming. Sugar, bro. Yeah, I need wood. I need wood right now. Like a birch wood. Oh yeah. Oh no. I'm getting wood. Hello guys. So guys, we're playing old craftsman. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Charge. Mm. English only. Bro, our other storage room is small and it doesn't even have anything on it. No, you made it. Remember, this is a storage room. We're already taking mini storage, guys. This is a storage room, and we're only taking mini storage. We might need a chest. Might need. Ah, there guys, he's making a bunker. Let's go. Yeah, let's take a look inside. I didn't get struck. I didn't get struck. So let's try to get in. Bro. Don't hit me. Where'd you get? Where'd you get all the torch? Yeah. But, bro, there's iron in here.
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh.
That's design.
Oh.
Huh?
Sa kamuli, Je? 29?
Bro, I died here earlier. And
Wala,
my
kadiyo tarik ka dari skuto, guys.
and all my coal
Muli si mama. Dito ba?
and all my coal is gone, bro. All my no, and I fall. And all my coal was gone. Like,
Balik rugod.
yeah, I don't know.
Magbansin ba?
Mm, yeah. Yeah. This is a storage. Yeah, so tiny. Very, very tiny.
Kuya sa.
Yeah, we should make a shovel. Shovel. Let's make a shovel. No, wooden shovel to put our snowballs. He'll just get filled. He'll just get filled at best. Don't worry, because it's snowing while raining. I don't know how, but Minecraft logic. Anyways, I'm talking like I'm sick. I'm actually not. It's just like 6:41 p.m. here in the Philippines.
Are you recording?
And it's so cold in here. What?
Are you recording?
Yeah,
What?
yeah, I'm recording. Wow.
Then you gonna post?
Yeah,
Where?
YouTube.
Hell? Yeah.
There's my snow, guys.
Nah, hell, bro.
I have another pickaxe here.
Nah.
Not like other, like one, two, three. Like three pickaxe, bro.
Chico.
Don't.
Oh my god.
By the way, guys, we're using hotspot. Showing like it's not a hotspot, but it's actually hotspot. I don't leave, bro. No, don't leave,
Wait lang. Yan ang height.
bro. Did you guys all see that light thing? You did not see that lightning, snowing while thunderstorming. Kind of cool. By the way, guys, we're using phone because no computer. It's expensive. And if we go to a computer shop,
It's gonna cost money.
yeah, it costs money.
Money must be
But I might, near all of this apart, I might buy a computer. Who's calling?
Actually, I have 7 irons.
Oh yeah,
I don't know how did I get just mine 3 irons.
what should I make,
Let me cook.
bro? What should I make?
Maybe.
Just put- Bro, why would I make? Why would I make a dog? How's that possible?
Make a dog.
Bro, what am I? I'm a dog? Making a dog?
Make
Huh?
a dog. Make a
Mm.
dog. Dog makeup. Bro, how to make a rope?
Big, bigger.
Nah, rope. I need rope. Oh, I need rope.
Bunker.
Does this game
No,
does
no,
not
not bunker.
have rope?
Storage. I think they have, bro.
Nah. They do.
Remember, this is just the old version
Oh yeah.
of Clubman. Look, guys, it's night now. We gotta go inside.
Fudge bar.
Why?
Huh?
What happened? Yeah, it's night time. Why? Well,
Oh, what's your problem? What's your problem?
did you kill a
What's
skeleton?
your problem? What's your problem?
Yeah, that looks like a skeleton. I'm like about to. I will end the vid when my mother calls me for dinner because I'm not in our home. I'm at my cousin's house. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, look.
Wait, let's. I'm just gonna wait.
Oh, look.
Bro, get out. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to. Bro, I didn't mean to. What's your problem, man?
Our problems.
Oh, it's not enough.
Our problem.
Bro, I found coal.
I found zombies. My favorite. Nah, hell no.
Why would a zombie be your favorite? Yeah, I'm keeping this as a secret story.
Papa. Ring guri 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 what child I lingo a lingango. Lingango go go what child I lingo a lingango.
Yeah, this should be enough. Oh, we should have made plank. So, like,
Eh?
yeah, but we should have make a plank. What about cobblestone? Nah, it would look bad. Hey, you spider! Come on, get me. It's just yet one of that. One because it keeps it full. See,
What the fuck?
that's what happened.
Nah, I just build this and oh, look at this, look at this.
Wait, guys, let's take a look.
Oh,
What do you mean?
just
Oh,
build it. Like,
yeah, you said you're making a bunker.
yeah, but this is bunker. Look at what happened.
Yeah. By the way, I'm going to the
What?
bigger storage.
You don't trust?
Wait, did we put storage room there? No, it's on the storage. Oh, I almost ate a rotten flesh.
Move your game.
Nah, bro. Bigger,
Okay, I'm just
bigger
You mean bigger?
storage
Oh,
room.
take this last one.
Looks so powerful. Should have made slabs.
Hey,
Slabs.
seed.
Okay, there doesn't go.
You need more seed.
Oh, I need. I have coal. Hot? No, bro. Bye bye, guys. Oh, dong na. Bye bye, guys. I'm gonna see you next time. Wait, that's.
Isam nida. Kaya na go. Ana siya.
Bye, bro. Bye bye, guys.